one, the first, the first one to light up.
Yeah, this we will trigger this one. Space gun first. Yeah, and followed
The first fuse.
followed by the Thunder Fighter, and followed by Roads to Riches, which is this one also. And last but not the least, the Millennium Falcon is the biggest one, Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Falcon. Okay, right now the installation and the series of the connections of this. Yeah, this is the first fuse and will end in the second fuse. In the second fuse, it will connect it to the first fuse of this. This another fireworks.
Yeah.
So then there's a continuous of lighting of this fireworks. No stop. Already,
stopping.
Yeah, no stopping. All go. Yeah, first fuse. Then connect to the connect to the second fuse.
Sure ka?
Yeah. Connect to the second fuse.
Well, I cannot connect it. Is this sure enough?
Yeah.
Sure enough.
Koy, look at Koy. Nabuslot.
Just this one?
Ang Koy, nabuslot Koy.
Yeah, hey, do not touch.
And now, from the first fuse of the second fireworks will be going and will end to the second fuse. So we have to connect the second fuse to the first fuse of Dragon. Second na S. F on first.
But the first fuse got
Very big.
Yeah, this one. F means first. The S will be second. I thought the F is for fortune. The other S is for serendipity.
Give me some. Di mana ang buto nak dali?